Right, here we go then. Seats are a little bit cramped, not gonna lie, but yeah, should be good. Going up backwards. It's the same type of cars as Twistosaurus, I believe, as well. To the beach over there, beautiful. All right, here we go. Ooh. Ah. Oh. Ah, down we go. Way. Ooh. Backwards! Ah! Oh! Oh God! There we go. Ah! Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh! That was all right. That good fun.